in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can pay in a specific currency on Revolut. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So first, you will open your Revolut app or website, and what you will do is log in with your credentials. Then, after logging into your account, what you will do is look for the payment section and then go ahead and click recipient. And what you will do is tap currency and select the desired currency. And after that, you will enter the amount and then just stop send. And after all that, the payment will be processed and the confirmation will be in app. And that's just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.